What is up guys, Patrick here, and today I got another Swagbucks tips and tricks video. I'm going to be looking over the combination of Swagbucks with Privacy.com and how you could use the two to not only increase your privacy, but also potentially increase the amount of money you earn or save on Swagbucks. So you're probably asking yourself, what is Privacy.com and how can I use it with Swagbucks? So first off, I'm going to answer what Privacy.com is. Basically, it is a website where you can create these virtual disposable credit cards that you could use anywhere online. And what's good about these disposable credit cards is that they don't have any of your information on them. So if there is a data breach, you avoid exposing your credit card info. And with that, you can use any billing information as well. So basically, it's just a really safe way to shop online. And how can you use this on Swagbucks? Well, on Swagbucks, there are these things called Discover offers, as many of you may know. And many times these offers can save you a good chunk of money or even earn you a good chunk of money, right? So one example of when you would use a Privacy.com card on a Swagbucks Discover offer is when you're signing up for a service that requires a monthly membership payment. So like Spotify, for example. With these membership offers, many times in the terms, you can see that it requires you to have your account open with membership status for 32 days, which basically means that you're gonna get charged twice for the first month of membership and for the second month. And you can actually avoid this using a one-time use privacy card. A second example of when you would use a Privacy.com card on Swagbucks is just for privacy, just for your own safety. If you see a sketchy offer, or maybe it's not even a sketchy offer, you're just planning on a one-time purchase, then it might be smart to use the Privacy.com card to avoid any data breaches. So if you ever have questions about an offer on Swagbucks, you could always comment in the comments below. I'll respond. But another place you could go to is to the Swagbucks subreddit. And once you're there, you could type in the offer you're searching and see what experiences people had with that offer. I mean, if you were to do the Disney offer and use your credit card, obviously I don't think that would be much of a problem, but it doesn't hurt using the Privacy.com card, especially since it's not that hard at all. It's actually super simple. And I'll just quickly summarize it again if I was confusing. One, you can use the disposable one-time credit card to avoid getting double charged or charged again. You could set a limit on that card. And two, you just avoid having data breaches on your credit card information. Alright, so if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment them below. I'll respond to you. If you like the video, obviously don't forget to like it. Subscribe if you want to see more real make money online, and that's all I have for today. Peace.